we are going to talk about how you can join a galley utility or a galley utility steward after completing your 10th and 12th standard in a cruise ship. Well guys, we'll give you a complete information. In this video I'm going to talk about what position you will be working, what are the qualification, requirements and your job responsibilities and your future. Okay, we will talk about these 5 things and I will tell you as well how you can apply. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to talk about how you can join a galley utility after completing a 10th or 12th standard in a cruise ships. Well, let's talk about first of all qualifications. Okay, so well guys, in the qualification you should be completed at least of 10th or 12th standard. If you have completed that, yes, that makes you eligible to work on cruise ship, but as well as it requires some experience. Well guys, because you are going to work on a cruise line and they are a very high star rating ship, so they are really very less chances they will hire a freshers, so they always go for a experienced staff, so they can provide a more quality of services to the guest. Okay, so if you have experience, it is really going to benefit you, and if you do not have, I highly recommend you, so please get a job somewhere in hotel, okay, and gain some experience, so it will increase your chances to get hired on the cruise ship. Okay, at least 1 year of experience is required. You can gain experience any in the 4 or 5-star hotels. Okay, because so many vacancies out there for a utility guy. There is so much of work for a utility, means there is a huge area where utility people's work, so there are vacancies always. Okay, so you can get the job and you can gain the experience, and it will help you out getting a job on a cruise ship. Well, you can apply as a fresher as well, but you can apply, there is no problem. And if you have a knowledge, okay, and you can just read about the utility, the peoples, what the work they have, what they have to do on board ship. I will tell you the responsibilities. Okay, if you can learn about this and you can clear the interview, you can get hired as a fresher as well. Okay. And in the qualification itself, yes guys, the key point is your communications skill. Well guys, you are going to work in a foreign countries, and on board ship there are so many of people who are coming from the different nationalities. So yes guys, you won't be able to speak a Hindi out there. Yeah, there are some people who are Indians and they can help you out with the Hindi, but yes guys, if you want to survive there, the communication skills are very important. The communication skills are meant to be, your English has to be very perfect, then only you will be able to get a job, because you are entitled to clear an interview into a English language. So if your English is not good guys, so well guys, I highly recommend you to get some classes for English and try to improve your English. And English only can be learned by only if you do a practice. Okay, so try to practice, try to speak English, try to speak with your friends, with your family. Okay, and even though if you don't have friends, if you get shy when talking to your family, so at least you can speak alone. The only point I have is, it really matters guys, because there are so many of nationalities working out there, they doesn't understand Hindi at all, so you have to speak in English, and in order to communicate with your supervisors, with your managers, okay, in order to increase your chances for a promotions and increment guys, your communication has to be very good, because whatever they are saying, your supervisors and managers, if you do not understand it very properly, then it really going to create a problem in your job, and it can actually leads to fired a job. Okay, now let's talk about responsibilities. Well guys, if you're joining as a galley utility, the main work you are going to have is cleaning a dishes. Means there are so many of crew members out there, means around 1000 to 1500 crew members depending on the class of the ship. Okay, and there are 4 to 5000 of guests out there, so you guys really have so much of work. The so much of work I meant to say is, means there is a work, okay, and you guys will be working in a shift. So basically the main work is, I have seen over there for a galley utilities, cleaning a dishes guys, because you have to clean the plates. There are so many of dishes, so many of utensils are there, and there are so many of big machines. So basically you don't have to wash through using your hand, you have to use those machines. And whenever you join a cruise ship out there, so you will be provided a training. First of all, you will be provided a training regarding how to operate those machines. And being in a galley utility, so especially your work is cleaning, so there are so many of chemicals which are being used, but there is a classes of the chemicals, so you also will be provided a training regarding how to use those chemicals. Don't worry about guys responsibilities, you will be given a proper training from your superiors and you will be trained. The only thing is, if you are a hardworking guy, if you are willing to learn things, you can actually adopt the things very fast and you can perform a very good job. Okay, well guys, whenever ship goes USA and other ports of the USA, well, there is a inspection always. So many of health officers comes from the port to the ship to check what is the environment of the ship, how clean the ship is. Okay, so that's why you guys clean each and everything, each and every corner, whatever area you are in charge of. Okay, and you will be given instructions automatically from your superiors. Yes, there is an inspection on the so and so day, on the so and so time. So you will be provided an area to clean it, so you guys also have to clean each and every corner. Let's talk about the future now. What is the promotion and increment and what is the salary? Well guys, joining a galley utility, the starting salary starts from, depending on the cruise line, depending on the class of the ship, it actually starts from $700 to it goes up to $1,100 depending on the class of the ship, guys, and depending on the cruise line which you are going. Okay, because each and every cruise line the salary is different, and also depends on which class of ship you are going and how much work will you have. As per that, there is a salary structure, but it is going to be between $700 to $1,100. Okay, well guys, if you have completed your contract, and every end of the contract you go on every ship, there is an evaluation, guys, which tells about your performance, how was your performance, and if your manager or supervisor, they are really happy with your work, so they can actually take a mark of promotion, so they can recommend you for a promotion. Okay, and then you can become a senior galley utility, and there are some more positions as well, supervisors and all. Okay, and if they recommend for an increment, so you guys have an increment up to $100 per contract. Well guys, but from my suggestions, I have seen a people, because when I went on board ship, I made so many friends, so I came to know about them, because actually they used to work in a galley department. And even though we had one example, a person who used to work in a galley department became a captain of the ship. Yes guys, he started from the galley department, he became the captain of the ship. Well, what he did, he had changed his department. So after working a one contract or two contract, when you feel like yes, your communication skills are good now, and you can actually switch your department, so you can look for a department which is actually easy to access, and where the jobs are easily available on board ship, and you are able to perform their duties. Okay, and there are so many departments, like I have seen people who used to work in a galley, they came into housekeeping, like they became a cabin steward of guests, they became a crew stewards of guests. Okay, and they went into kitchen department, they became some chefs and all, and they actually they went some into F&B services as well, so they became waiters and all. So guys, you have an option, you can actually increase your potential, your capabilities while working on board ship, and you can switch your departments.